Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some more important bits regarding the topic degrees of comparison from the English grammar. This is the oldest building in the town. Choose the positive degree of this sentence. Answer: no other building in the town is as old as this. Very few Indian writers are as great as Tagore. Choose the superlative degree of the given sentence. Answer: Tagore is one of the greatest writers in India. The Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful building in India. Choose the positive degree of the given sentence. Answer: very few buildings in India is as beautiful as the Taj Mahal. Laxman is not taller than Kumar. Choose the positive degree of the given sentence. Answer: Kumar is at least as tall as Lakshman. Ashoka was one of the greatest kings. Choose the positive degree of the given sentence. Answer: very few kings are as great as Ashoka. Elon Musk is richer than any other man in this world. Choose the superlative degree of the given sentence. Answer: Elon Musk is the richest man in this world. Naik is as strong as Nani. Choose the comparative degree of the given sentence. Answer: Nani is stronger than Naik. Triple R is one of the best film of this year. Choose the comparative degree of the given sentence. Answer: Triple R is better than most other films of this year. Qatar is the richest country in the world. Choose the positive degree of the given sentence. Answer: no other country in the world is so rich as Qatar. I am as strong as he. Choose the comparative degree of the given sentence. Answer: he is not stronger than I. She is as clever as her friend. Choose the comparative degree of the given sentence. Answer. She is cleverer than her friend. Poverty is the most measurable thing. Choose the comparative degree of the given sentence. Answer. Poverty is more miserable than any other thing. St. Paul's is the highest church in Chennai. Choose the positive degree of the given sentence. Answer. No other church in Chennai is as high as St. Paul's. Very few states in India are so small as Sikkim. Choose the superlative degree of the given sentence. Answer. Sikkim is one of the smallest states in India. Shakespeare is the greatest of all the English poets. Choose the comparative degree of the given sentence. Answer. Shakespeare is greater than any other English poet. Swimming is healthier than most other exercises. Choose the positive degree of the given sentence. Answer. Very few exercises are as healthy as swimming. Very few rivers in India are as long as the Ganges. Choose the superlative degree. Answer. The Ganges is one of the longest rivers in India. Kolkata is the most crowded city in India. Choose the positive degree of the given sentence. Answer. No other city in India is as crowded as Kolkata. Open rebuke is better than secret love. Choose the positive degree of the given sentence. Answer. Secret love is not so good as open rebuke. No other man in the town was so strong as Kiran. Choose the comparative degree of the given sentence. Answer. Kiran was stronger than any other man in the town. Rohit is not so great as Kohli. Choose the comparative degree. Answer: Kohli is greater than Rohit. Australia is the largest island in the world. Choose the positive degree of the given sentence. Answer: no other island in the world is as large as Australia. Hari is not more industrious than Ravi. Choose the positive degree of the given sentence. Answer: both Ravi and Hari are equally industrious. The Sears Tower is the tallest building in the world. Choose the positive degree of the given sentence. Answer: no other building in the world is so tall as the Sears Tower. This is one of the most Chinese dishes. Choose the comparative degree of the given sentence. Answer: this is more expensive than most other Chinese dishes. The sinking of the Titanic is one of the most shocking incidents in the history of mankind. Choose the comparative degree of the given sentence. Answer: the sinking of the Titanic is more shocking than most other incidents in the history of mankind. China is more populous than any other country in the world. Choose the superlative degree of the given sentence. Answer: China is the most populous country in the world. Thomas Malthus is not the greatest philosopher. Choose the comparative degree. Answer: Thomas Malthus is not greater than some philosophers. Very few persons in this town are as influential as Mr. Surya. Choose the superlative degree. Answer. Mr. Surya is one of the most influential persons in this town. No other girl in the class is as perspica- perspicacious as Sunita. Choose the comparative degree. Answer. Sunita is more perspicacious than any other girl in the class. It is not as cheap to buy a new one as to repair the old one. Choose the correct comparative degree. Answer. It is cheaper to repair the old one than to buy a new one. Of all Saturn's moons, Titan is dash. Choose the correct option to fill the blank. Answer. The largest. Wood is dash plastic as a material. Choose the correct option to fill the blank. Answer. Preferable to. This is the dash time I lend anyone my car. Choose the correct option to fill up the blank. Answer. Last. This building is dash than any other building in the town. Choose the correct option to fill up the blank. Answer. Older. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.